Your B2B buyers already sign into your store. With QuotWay, their quotes live right there too, next to their orders in their Shopify customer account. No extra logins, no new passwords. A quotes link on the orders page and a My Quotes item in the account menu. Take them straight in. Every quote in one place. The Awaiting Me tab surfaces what needs them, with action queues and expiry countdowns. Open a proposal, line prices, totals, and the PDF to download. Company buyers see exactly who they're ordering for and their payment terms. Price not quite right. They counter right there, a new price and quantity per line, plus a note to you. A full negotiation round, without leaving their account. Or they accept just the lines that work. Everything else stays open for negotiation. Buying for a bigger company? Acceptance can route through their own approvers first, approve, reject, or delegate, right on the quote. Questions stay on the thread, messages and file attachments tied to the quote. And repeat buyers skip the browsing, paste SKUs, or upload a CSV to request a bulk quote. Their account, your negotiation, one place. QuotWay, B2B quotes and negotiation, built for Shopify. Works natively in Shopify customer accounts. Start free.